Economics is the study of how society manages its scarce resources. The 10 principles of economics are introduced here to give you an overview of what economics is all about.
Economists assume that rational people think at the margin. Rational people know that decisions in life are rarely black and white but usually involve shades of gray. At dinner time, the question you face is not, should I fast or eat like a pig? Rather, you ask yourself if you should take that extra rice or side dish. When people make a small incremental adjustment to an existing plan of action, economists call that marginal change. By comparing marginal benefits and costs, rational people decide whether they should change an existing plan of action. For instance, here is a plane that is about to take off. Suppose flying a 200-seat plane across the country costs the airline $100,000. In this case, the average cost of each seat is $500. Thus, the airline can increase its profits by thinking at the margin. Let's suppose there are unsold seats in the plane. Then, a passenger on the waiting list is willing to pay $300 for a seat. Of course, it should. Although the average cost is $500 per passenger, the marginal cost of taking the passenger is no more than the cost of the in-flight meal. If the passenger is willing to pay more than the marginal cost, selling the ticket is a right choice as it will increase the airline's profits.
Bestseller of Economics. Principles of Economics Graphic Edition.